So when you add in questions, let's say, for example, if I were to go around add in a question, the people who actually see the form does not need to answer it. So if I were to go around onto the preview section, this is how others would actually see your work. You can see that they can check out the option on the question right here, but they do not need to select it. It is not actually compulsory. So let me just close the preview right here. So let's say you want some of the questions to be compulsory. And in that case, what you have to do is you need to click on the question which you want to be compulsory and then enable out the required option right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around and enable required on this. And let's say the second question is optional. So once that is done, you can click on the preview button. And over here, you can see that asterisks, red asterisks actually pop up when that question is being asked, which denotes that the question is compulsory. So unless the user actually chooses that right here, it says this is a required question. You have to choose it in order to move forward, unlike the second question right here. So they get this option, as you can see right here. So that is how you can make questions required. And if you don't want it to make it required again, you can disable this and the asterisk will be removed. You can see that the asterisk right here denotes that the question is required. Right now, there is no asterisk, that is the red asterisk. But as soon as I turn it into required, you can see the asterisk right here. And that is how you and the one who fills the form knows that certain questions are required. So that is how you can make questions required inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.